Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a hole in your glove. So the first thing we're going to do is turn the glove inside out so that we're sewing it from the wrong side. Now we're going to cut a piece of thread. So you can just pull thread off and we're going to cut it about the length of your arm. And then cut it like that. And I'm using white thread so that you'll be able to see when I'm sewing on the black glove. So now we're gonna take a sewing needle, and you can get these at any drugstore, fabric store, craft store, dollar store. So you're just gonna put the thread through that tiny hole in the top of the needle like that. And you just wanna pull on the threads until they're pretty much even at the bottom like that. So now you have your needle and thread ready for sewing. So here's our finger that we're going to be sewing back together, and all you need to do is press the fabric back together and then start on one side of the hole, and you want to start where the fabric is still nice and intact, so as far away from the hole as that has to be. You're just going to go in through one side, out through the other side, pull your thread almost through but not all the way through. You're going to leave that bit hanging out. Then you're going back through those same holes again, and this creates a loop of thread. You can put your needle through that loop and pull it shut. And that's how you knot your thread in place. We're going to do that at least 3 times, going through close to the same holes you just went through. Put your thread through that loop and pull it tight. And we're going to do it one more time. And this is pretty much how you're going to sew along the whole hole. You're just going to start moving across the hole. Before you pull that thread through, put your needle through the loop and pull it tight. And that just knots it in place. And we're doing those knots all along the hole. So just keep moving, pull your thread, needle through the loop, and pull it shut. And it's as easy as that. All we have to do is cover the entire hole with these knotted stitches. We're almost on the other side of the hole. So just make sure you completely sew the hole shut, and you can even go back across the hole again with even more stitches to make it as secure as possible. You want to make sure you're sewing into this good solid fabric so that the hole doesn't keep unraveling. And when you're getting low on thread, all you have to do is a couple of these knots on top of each other, and then you'll be able to cut off your thread. So we'll say I'm going to stop here. I'm just going to do a couple knots right on top of each other. One more. Like that, and then I'm able to cut my thread off, and we are done. So now we're going to turn the glove back right side out. In the moment of truth, there is your nice warm finger because that hole has been sewn shut. You can see some of my tiny white stitches. If you'd used matching thread, you wouldn't even see those. The finger is nice and sewn shut. Woo! Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.